Hello children, good morning. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do English grammar. What we are going to learn today? English grammar. And in that our topic will be preposition. What is our topic? Preposition. Now preposition means it tells you the position or place of an object. It means where the object is kept. Okay. Now objects like apples, fish, cat, bananas, spoon, birds, your toys. Okay. So now let's learn it in the form of objects and pictures. Now which are the four prepositions today we are going to learn? In, ein, in, preposition out, out, preposition on, and preposition under, under. That is in, out, on, and under. Hello Didi. Today my teacher has taught me preposition. Now I want to revise it. So let's see some objects and pictures in the house and around us. Come Didi, we will see. See Didi, here the apples are in the basket. Where are the apples? In the basket. See? The pussycat is in the box. Where is the pussycat? Pussycat is in the box. Where is the fish? Fish is inside the aquarium. Where is the fish? Fish is inside the aquarium. Where are the birds? Birds are inside the cage. Birds are in the cage. And see, Rohan has caught some butterflies. They are in the net. Where are the butterflies? Butterflies are in the net. Come on, let's revise. Apples are in the basket. Apples are in the basket. Cat is in the box. Cat is in the box. Birds are in the cage. Birds are in the cage. Fish is in the aquarium. Fish is in the aquarium. Butterflies are in the net. Butterflies are inside, that is in the net. Sanya, come on, tell me now what is your next preposition? Didi, my next preposition is out. Next is out. Come on, let's see some pictures which are out. See Didi, these apples are out of the basket. These apples are out of the basket. These birds are out of the cage. These birds are out of the cage. This cat is sitting outside of the box. This cat is sitting outside of the box. See Didi, Rohan has let out all the butterflies. Rohan has let out go all the butterflies. Now all the butterflies are out of the net. All the butterflies are out of the net. Didi, I will show you some objects which are also showing us preposition out. See Didi, these bananas are out of the basket. These bananas are out of the basket. See Didi, this spoon is out of the mug. This spoon is out of the mug. Sanya, what is your next preposition? Didi, my next preposition is on. My next preposition is on. Come on, let's see some pictures and objects which are on. See Didi, this pencil is on the compost box. This pencil is on the compost box. See, I am keeping the pencil on the compost box. See, this baby is lying on the mat. The baby is lying on the mat. See my teddy bear, it is on the table. My teddy bear is on the table. See these birds, they are all sitting on the tree. The birds are all sitting on the tree. Sanya, what is your next preposition? Didi, my next preposition is under. My next preposition is under. Come, let's see some pictures showing the place of the objects which are under. See Didi, my pussycat is under the table. My pussycat is under the table. See, these goats are grazing under the tree. See, these goats are grazing under the tree. Sanya, you showed me very nice objects and pictures. Come on, let's now revise last time. Yes, Didi. Preposition in, out, on, under. Again, in, out, on, under. I hope children, you all have understood the English grammar topic preposition with the pictures and objects shown you in the story. Practice at home. Bye.